Understanding idioms. As dumb as dirt. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English idiom, as dumb as dirt. This phrase can be puzzling, especially for learners of English, so let's break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the meaning, but also how to use this phrase in your daily conversations. The phrase, as dumb as dirt, is an idiom used to describe someone who is perceived to lack intelligence or common sense. It's important to note that this phrase is quite informal and can be considered rude or offensive. The word, dumb, in this context refers to a lack of intelligence, while dirt is used to imply that something is very low or basic. Together, they suggest that someone is at the very bottom in terms of intelligence or understanding. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us grasp their meanings more fully. The phrase, as dumb as dirt, has been used in English for a long time and is part of a larger group of similes that compare someone's intelligence to something universally known to be inanimate or without understanding. Dirt symbolizes something that is abundant, ordinary, and without value, much like how the phrase views intelligence in this context. When using the phrase, as dumb as dirt, it's essential to be aware of the context. 1. Informal settings. This idiom is best used in informal settings among friends or people you are very familiar with. It's not suitable for professional or formal contexts. 2. Conveying frustration. People often use this phrase to express frustration or disbelief at someone's actions or words that seem to lack common sense. 3. Be cautious. Given its potentially offensive nature, think carefully about when and how you use it. It's always good to be sensitive to how your words might affect others. To fully understand, as dumb as dirt, let's see it in action. 1. I can't believe he tried to start the car without fuel. He's as dumb as dirt sometimes. 2. She watched the tutorial 10 times and still didn't get it. As dumb as dirt if you ask me. These examples show how the phrase is used to express exasperation or disbelief in someone's ability to understand or perform simple tasks. And that's a wrap on the idiom, as dumb as dirt. Remember, while idioms like this can add color to our language, they should be used carefully and with consideration for others. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language.